In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use CapCut PC's auto caption feature to automatically generate subtitles for your videos in seconds with one click of a button. If you're creating content for Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, captions or subtitles can help you increase retention on your videos, which can then lead to more views and more engagement. So before we start with the video, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for more similar videos like this one. I'm in my CapCut app on desktop, and you can see that I have a video edited for the channel, but the last step is to add subtitles automatically with one click of a button. So how do I do that? All I have to do is to select the text section at the top left, and that will have even more options. You want to click on Auto Captions right here, and then Generate or Create, and wait a couple of seconds until CapCut analyzes your video and creates captions for it. You can see that we have captions or subtitles added automatically to my video, and all that's left for you to do is to click on a text layer and customize it. Change the template to something else in order for it to look more professional. Change the size and the color and other things. When you change the style and color for a single text layer, it will apply the changes to all the other layers as well. So happy editing, everyone, and I will see you in the next video.